Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today what I'm just going to be doing is showing you my home page here, just so you could tell that it's me if somebody pretends to be me, but it's not. So my username is EmmaCupcake67, which might change soon. And this is my normal avatar, in case you wanted to see what my avatar looks like in other games. This is what it looks like. And I have a lot of friends. I have 141 friends. Have the collection, and I'm in the following groups: Admin Trolling Community, Adopt and Raise Fans, Alex and Dennis, Alex's Mind, Bad Vibes Clothing, Bakies, Big Gamers Simulators, Big Games, Blaze Squad, Californians, Cartoons and Stuff, Dennis Games, Don't Trip Army, Ellie Jelly Fan. I'm in a lot of groups, that's all I'm gonna say. But I have this mega fan here. I have this huge fan right here, and I think I'm making his day happy. Let's see what they say about this. I don't know what they're going to say exactly, but I think they're going to be ecstatic. Let's see. Okay, they're not. Oh, they're writing. They're writing. They're really happy. Later, I will. But, yeah. If you want to try and find my profile to, send me a friend request or something, or follow me, this is me, and my creations are my place, Pugland, Galactic Speedway, and Destroy. Bye, guys.